everyone, welcome to the video on Roadmap to Cybersecurity 2024 or how to start your career in the cybersecurity in the year 2024 by GoLogica. Cybersecurity, it is all about protecting networks, computer systems and data from potential risks and unauthorized access. This includes several technologies, measures and processes to protect data, ensuring the digital assets remain intact, accessible and confidential. Cybersecurity is in fact a big thing, as several technologies, in fact hundreds of technologies fall under this vast umbrella. Thus, it is important to know how to start your career in this sector in the year 2024. Before that, let's check out what is a roadmap. It is a strategy intended to guide organizations or individuals to achieve certain goals. Next, let's check out the few steps that you have to take to before starting your career in the cybersecurity sector. Step 1 is educational requirements. Know the educational requirements that you need to start your cybersecurity journey and fulfill them. Next is gain practical experience. Always get engaged in practical applications by doing hands-on exercises, challenges, or real-world projects. This is because it can boost your skills and learn the cybersecurity concepts in detail to a huge extent. Third is soft and technical skills. These skills are essential to become an expert in the cybersecurity sector. The skills include communication, analytical thinking, cryptography, ethical hacking, network security, incident response, and problem solving. Fourth step is enhance your knowledge. Always stay updated with the latest cybersecurity trends and techniques and best practices. You can stay updated via online resources, books, and much more. Step 5 is certifications. Certifications prove your efficiency or expertise and caliber by attaining industry recognized certifications. These certifications are Advanced Web Applications Penetration Tester, Offensive Cloud Penetration Testing, Offensive Security Certified Professional, and much more. Next, let's move on to our main topic, Roadmap to Cybersecurity 2024. Do you want to become a cybersecurity professional? If yes, then you have to follow a roadmap to find the perfect job. With our roadmap to cybersecurity, you will get to know about the knowledge and skills you need to become an expert in this domain. First is Linux. Learn the Linux basics for a solid base in the cybersecurity world. OWASP Top 10. Know OWASP's top 10 vulnerabilities and learn how to identify and mitigate security problems. This is for mobile, this is for cloud, web, and much more. Third is identifying insider threats. Execute solutions to identify and avoid potential risk from within the organization. Intentional or unintentional insider threats can cause risk. Insider threat detection system monitor user behavior and find the anomalies, resulting in quick response to mitigate potential risk. Fourth is data encryption. Execute robust data encryption measures for securing sensitive data from unauthorized access. Encryption, in fact, converts the data into a coding format, making it unreadable without the matching decryption key. Fifth is networking. Learn the ins and outs of network architecture and protocols to analyze and protect networks effectively. Next is AI tools. Harness the power of AI tools to boost your cybersecurity skills and stay ahead of potential threats. Next is Kali Linux. It is the go-to-go operating system for ethical cyber hack. Discover the effective techniques and tools provided by Kali Linux. Vulnerability scanning. Stay ahead of the potential cyber threats through vulnerability scans. Vulnerability scans find out the weakness in your apps and systems internally as well as externally. Having a proactive vulnerability strategy will help you protect your environment. Attain hands-on experience. As we mentioned earlier also, do have hands-on experience. Use online platforms or create a home lab to get practical experience in a skillful environment. You can try practicing with real-world cybersecurity tools and techniques. Next is best practices of cloud security. Follow cloud security best practices because it protects cloud environments in an effective manner. adhering to best practices which include encryption protocols, robust access controls, regular security audits, and cautious monitoring reduces risk and makes the cloud computing environment more secure. Next is AI-enabled cybersecurity automation. Leverage AI for enhanced cybersecurity. AI provides improved productivity and insights to cybersecurity professionals, resulting in around a 30% surge in risk identification rates and quicker incident response time. Moreover, AI allows the security teams to change defenses quickly, outpacing evolving risk and assuring proactive security. Next is penetration testing. Get experience or get hands-on experience in penetration testing for detecting and addressing vulnerabilities. In this process, the Metasploit tool can be of valuable loss for you. Next is IDS or IPS and firewalls. Understanding how Wi-Fi operate and get yourself familiarized with IPS intrusion prevention systems and IDS intrusion detection systems. So I hope now you're clear with how to start your career in this field of cybersecurity in the year 2024. Now, do you want to upgrade your skills? If yes, then join us. GoLogica provide training on cybersecurity. We have a pool of expert trainers with years of experience in guiding people on what is cybersecurity, how to become an expert in this field, with certification is best for you, and much more. You can call us on the given number or visit gologica.com. Thank you.